Hello. In this video, we will learn about how to do store auto-profiling. Let's talk about the key features and benefits. It allows your corporate customers to use their information in PDF block templates by entering into form fields. This form field will be available to all the store customers in their My Account section. The data that customers enter in this form will be used for PDF block personalization when we enable it, while creating a PDF block template. Let's have a look at the admin. Firstly, we need to create a PDF block template for a corporate store. Go to Templates. Click on Add New button. Enter template information like select user type. Product type. Select product, then put template title, and select template type as PDF block. Now, enable the centralized personalization and template personalization button and click on Save. And continue. Upload the PDF block template you created. Now, we go to Store Management, Store, Action, Store Fields. Click on Add button to create a new form field. Here you have to select field type, in which user-wise personalization fields will allow admin as well as end user to fill the data, while template personalization will only allow admin to fill form field data as drop-down only. Put title, for example, name. You can add a description over here. Then enter block or field name. This should always be exactly the same as the name you enter while creating the block in your PDF block template, else the system won't recognize or detect the information from the field. Select user type, all store or specific store. Select department, if you want to show it department specific. Select field group, if you want to show in any field group. Give sort order, and enable status as active. Select type, whether it's a text box, radio button, drop down, checkbox, etc. out of the options given here. Then select validation, if it's a required field, allow null or numeric, etc. You can set a default sample value here, and then save it. Now, when we go to the customer section and log in as a customer on the storefront, click on My Accounts, Store Fields. You can see here, all the store fields active for this user to be filled in, like name, designation, phone, email, and image upload. After the user enters all the details and clicks on Submit, this information will be saved and can be used in PDF block template. To check, we will go to the ID card template. Click on Customize button, and in the Designer Studio, you can see all the user information get auto-fetched by the system in this PDF block template over here. In this way, you can use our store auto-profiling feature. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to connect with us in case of any queries.